Hey everyone! Today I'm looking at CakeWallet in 2026 and answering the big question: is it actually worth your money, or more accurately, your time and trust? So first off, CakeWallet is a privacy-focused crypto wallet, especially popular for Monero and Bitcoin users. What I like right away is how clean and simple the interface feels. It's not overloaded with confusing charts or unnecessary features, which makes it great if you're not super technical. Security-wise, it's non-custodial, meaning you control your own keys. That's a big plus for privacy-focused users. It also supports built-in swaps, which saves you from using external exchanges most of the time. Now, the downsides: it's not the fastest wallet out there. And if you're a beginner, some privacy features might feel a bit intimidating at first. Also, while it supports multiple coins, it's still mainly best for Monero users. Overall, CakeWallet is absolutely worth considering in 2026 if you care about privacy and control. But it's not the most beginner-friendly, all-in-one wallet out there.